In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to insert a table in Notion. Tables are similar to Table View database, but very much simplified. It lacks a lot of features that databases have, but sometimes a simple and organized way of displaying your data is all you really need. To create a table, press the slash key followed by TA and choose Table from the pop-up menu. It will give you 2 columns and 3 rows. If you need to add more columns, hover on the right side of the second column till a gray vertical bar with a plus sign appears. This is the Add More Column button. Just position your cursor every time you want to add another column and click the gray vertical bar. For additional rows, position your mouse below the last row of the table and click the gray horizontal bar. You can also add a row and column at the same time. Hover on the bottom right outer corner of the table and click the plus button. You can resize your table, add background color, and format your text. You can also click and drag the bottom right outer corner to quickly add more rows and columns. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.